to the YouTube channel for the day 74. This is events that occurred on the 12th of November. So I did my exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill, and that was also 5 minutes of a jog. And then I was doing ACA sales for 8 hours. And I had my coaching session with the legendary Jeffrey Combs. And then I did a remote wellness academy lesson. And finally, I was tending to my book business, did repricing, and then buying books. So I've been very busy with the book business as I have time to do it, and remote wellness academy, and ACA sales, and then coaching and the exercise. So that was my day for day 74. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe buttons. Thank you.